So what I think is historically significant about hydrogen is that from early on in the 1500s when it was first discovered, it's always been used as a fuel. Later on in the late 1700s and early 1800s, they used it for its buoyant properties. It's less dense than air, and they used it to float balloons in the atmosphere. And to this day, we still use it as a fuel. It burns readily, it's clean, it's renewable, and I think that's why they've chosen it as the primary fuel for the space shuttle out in outer space, because you can burn it, recover it, and reuse it and recycle it again in outer space. So chemically, what I think is important about hydrogen is its simplicity. It's just a proton and an electron. It's incredibly flammable in the presence of air. In the high school setting, we love to generate hydrogen through the reaction of zinc and hydrochloric acid, forming hydrogen gas. That's a single replacement reaction. And then often students will detonate it with a flame, so you have hydrogen, oxygen, and a little bit of a heat source. And it goes back to making water. And it's a great synthesis reaction that has a lot of educational value for our students. So when I think about hydrogen and its uses in daily life, in industry, and in medicine, there are just so many uses that it's hard to pick the one that I'd like to focus on, but I think at home, I think I would like to focus on water, H2O. Hydrogen's a part of us. We're made mostly of water. Water's the universal solvent, so when you're cleaning your dishes or washing your car at home, you can't help but think about good old hydrogen taking care of us. In the medical industry, I think pretty quickly about hydrogen peroxide, which is used to sterilize equipment and people of bacteria. And then in industry, again, I would go back to the fuel cells, hydrogen fuel cells, or burning pure hydrogen as a renewable energy, and those types of uses that require lots of clean fuel in industrial processes.